we will learn very important chapter of mathematics, real numbers. In real numbers, we learn Euclid division lemma. As per Euclid division lemma, for any two given integers a and b, there exist unique integers q and r such that a equal to bq plus r and 0 is less than equal to r is less than b. As we know, when a divided by b, we get some quotient q and remainder r. Then we can write it as dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That is a equal to bq plus r. This is the Euclid division lemma. And we already know that remainder is always less than divisor, and remainder can be 0 also. This is Euclid division lemma. Now we use Euclid division lemma to find HCF. That is application of Euclid division lemma to obtain HCF of two positive integers c and d, where c is greater than d. Then we first apply Euclid division lemma to c and d. Since here c is greater than d, then we divide c by d. Then by Euclid division lemma, we get c equal to dq plus r, and 0 is less than equal to r is less than d. That is, r lie between 0 and d, where d is not included in r. Now if r equal to 0, then d is HCF of c and d. If r is not equal to 0, then apply Euclid division lemma to d and r. Then continues the process till remainder is 0. The divisor at this stage means when we get remainder 0, on that state divisor will be the required HCF. Now we start exercise 1.1. Question number 1. Use Euclid's division algorithm to find HCF of 135 and 225. Since here 225 is greater than 135, we apply Euclid division lemma. Now we divide 225 by 135. Now 135 ones are 135. Now it subtract, we get 90. Now 90 is divisor and 135 is dividend. Now again divide. 90 ones are 90. Then we get 45 here. Now 90 divided by 45. 45 twos are 90. Now remainder is 0. Now we write it as Euclid division lemma form, that is 225 equal to 135 into 1 plus 90. Now 135 equal to 90 into 1 plus 45. Now 90 equal to 45 into 2 plus 0. Here remainder is 0. Therefore our HCF is 45. Now we can write it as the remainder has now become 0 So our procedure stops. So our procedure stops. Since divisor at this step, divisor at this step is 45. Therefore, HCF of 135 and 225 equal to 45. Question number 2. 196 and 38220. Since here 38220 is greater than 196, we apply Euclid division lemma. Now we divide 38220 by 196. Now 196 ones are 196. Now we subtract it. We get 6, 8, 1. Come down 2. Now 196 nines are 1, 7, 6, 4. We subtract it. We get 8, 9. Now 0 come down and 196 fives are 9, 8, 0. Now remainder is 0. Now we write it as Euclid division lemma 38220 equal to 196 into 195 plus 0. Therefore remainder is 0. Therefore remainder is 0. Divisor at this state, divisor at this stage 196. Therefore HCF of 196 and 38220 equal to 196. Since 867 is greater than 255, we apply Euclid division lemma. 867 is divided by 255. 255 threes are 7, 6, 5. Now we subtract it, we get 102. Now 102 is divisor and dividend is 255. 102 twos are 204. Now we subtract it, we get 51. Now 102 is divided by 51 and 51 twos are 102. The remainder is 0. Now we write it as the form of Euclid division lemma. 867 equal to 255 into 3 plus 102. Then 255 equal to 102 into 2 plus 51. Now 102 equal to 51 into 2 plus 0. Divisor at this stage is 51. Therefore, HCF of 867 and 255 equal to 51. Question number 2. Show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5 where q is some integer. Solution. Let A be any positive odd integer and b equal to 6. We take here b equal to 6 because we have to show the number is of the form 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. Here 6 is divisor. Here 6 is divisor. If we compare it with Euclid division lemma, 6q plus 1 is compared with bq plus r, then b equal to 6. So we take here b equal to 6. Now by Euclid division lemma, a equal to 6q plus r, and as per Euclid division lemma, 0 is less than equal to r is less than equal to b. Here b equal to 6. Therefore 0 is less than equal to r is less than equal to 6. Less than equal to only less than. Therefore r equal to 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. Therefore a equal to 6q plus 0 or a equal to 6q plus 1, a equal to 6q plus 2, a equal to 6q plus 3, a equal to 6q plus 4 and a equal to 6q plus 5. Since a is any positive odd integer, therefore a equal to 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 और 6q plus 5. अब आप देखो यहाँ पर 6q is divisible by 2, 6q plus 2 is also divisible by 2 and 6q plus 4 is also divisible by 2. 6q plus 2 and 6q plus 4 is divisible by 2. So we neglect these three numbers because in problem given that positive integer is odd. So we neglect these three values. Thus any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. Question number 3. An army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? We find HCF of 616 32. Then this number will give maximum number of columns. Now, by Euclid division lemma, 616 is greater than 32. Then we divide 616 by 32. 32 ones are 32. Now we subtract it. We get 29. 6 come down. 32 nines are 288. Now we subtract it. We get 8. Now 32 is divided by 8. 8 4 ja 32. Now 616 is greater than 32. Therefore, by Euclid division lemma, 616 equal to 32 into 19 plus 8. Now 32 equal to 8 into 4 plus 0. So HCF 616 and 32 is 8. Therefore, maximum number of columns equal to 8.